Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. Here we are. It is December 18th. It's February 18th, 2026. My first stream back in a while. I'm not even sure when the last one. Almost a month. Been working like crazy, and work's been busy. So not a lot of opportunity. Get that background fanned off. Okay. Work has been busy, so I have not had the opportunities to trade. Don't need that. Don't need that. Just delete these, actually. Boop, 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 boop. Getting ready to relax, take it slow, have a easy day back, hopefully. See here. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Trying to clean up these charts a little bit. That was interesting. As always, if you're listening in, we are listening to my beautiful wife singing from Life Place Church Merced. You can look it up, LPC Merced. They do have worship playlists where you can listen to all the worship music. This is my personal playlist where it's just my wife's songs. But let's see here. We got about 25 minutes till market open. Hopefully my audio doesn't continuously cut out like usual. Now I can't hear myself in my mic, so that's different. Lost my voice in my ear, so it's kind of odd. Check. All right, there we go. Don't know why that happened. Let's go ahead and look at the markets here. Let's go. Alrighty, so we got SPX over here. This is gonna not even be moving yet until the market opens. Previous day high. That's not right. That's not right. This whole thing's not right. All right, I'm gonna get rid of these. It looks like stuff got jacked. All right, let's get rid of all this. Get rid of all this. Don't want stuff on my screen. It's gonna throw me off. It looked like we had broke through Asia, come back down, started to make a drop down. We had a nice little drop at the beginning of the Asia session, pulled back up, came down, swept the top. Now we're back down through the top of Asia here. So kind of at a decision point. Is this going to be just a higher low and then continue to push up, or are we going to get an actual break and start to push back down? We'll see. Bouncing off of yesterday's orb. This 5 minutes should have a range on it. So let's come in here. So we're going to go to 80. We see the ranges on there. We wait for our SPX to... Oh, that's SPX. So that wasn't even... That was just a complete lie. All right, so if we look over here on the 5 minute, we can actually go... We had a push up during Asia. Then London comes in, pushes us higher, comes down. Now we actually did change structure, and we're pushing down. So let's see if we can break these 809 level. Where's my next 5 minute blue? Down here. Gonna be an important level right there. My ray. Why is my ray not? There we go. The red ray. So we want to see a break of this blue on the 5-minute blue before we can really start pushing down further. Good 5-minute cross here. Sell signal, range, break the blue. No real retest, just straight continuation. A little late cross there. That would have been a hard trade to make on the 5-minute. 1 minute, you had a cross that happened after the purple. Could have waited for this break here. So we had that little break range, like a little touch. So this one would have been your break, and then just straight continuation. Just really hard entries, pre-market, looks like, for me, for my trading strategies. Got a new trading book, new trading journal. Millionaire in Progress. This was my Valentine's Day gift from my wife. Super excited about it. Today we're going to be patient. We're going to trade our strategies. We're going to look for cheap trades. Remember that small wins add up. And remember why we are here. We are here to make a better life for us and our family. We are here to represent Christ to everyone who watches. If you're here, give me a big hi. Shout it out. I am live. I am live. It says it's beautifully live. Okay. Put my welcome to Kingdom Trails light up. See that should come across. There it is right there. Alrighty. So if you watch on the vertical stream, you should have my live trades whenever I put entries in should show up on here. And actually this is really interesting. So if you look at this 1 minute, if you're looking on the horizontal, you can see it on my 1 minute cross. My 1 minute on NQ, the cross happened after the candle. Oh, that's because this is a 2 minute. Okay, 2 minute gave a really good entry. You could look over here on MNQ. The 2 minute gave a really good cross right inside the candle for the push down. ATR is a little high for me to be looking at a 2 minute chart. It's right on the one, so it's right in the middle. So I could have been looking at the 2 minute. We're below 10 on the 1 minute ATR, so that would have been a good time to look at the 2. And then just be more patient with my trades. That would have given me a good cross entry. Big push up. We come all the way down and sweep the low of the open, 2700s. We're downtrending now for sure. This would be my top side purple up here. This is the most recent 5 minute blue candle that hasn't been broken down here. Let's look at some news. Let's see what is happening. Today we got building permits, housing, orange, a couple orange items. Bring this back up so I can hear it. FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. Eastern. That's 11. I sure hope I'm not trading at that point in time. All right. Another curl down happening. Purple cross is going to be late if it does push down. In the middle of levels, not really at any level. We bounce this 5 minute cross over here. Look at this 5 minute cross from all the way back here. That would have been a pretty nice buy. It's a little late on the cross. Little late on the cross. I'll be more interested if we break these 800s. Break the 800s. Got room all the way down. 780 would be my first like resistance. Then 760. Pretty key levels. 80, 60, that's 20 point levels. Let's see if I can bring this down just a little bit. I'm lots of S's today. Oh, got this cross starting to form. Trying to continue that push down. We got 15 minutes, 16 minutes till market open. Coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I did hop on. I did place a couple small trades throughout the last 2 weeks, making sure I place one trade to keep the accounts active, you know. So, and it's been pretty green. Oh, that feels like horribleness with the hoodie, hitting the hoodie. Can't hit the hoodie. I'm cooking my leg right now. I got my heater down below and it's just on fire, but my phone's what controls. This audio cutout on this thing just kills me. Just kills me. It's like disorienting. Akira! Hey, there we go, brother. Ready to make some trades? Yeah, I was hiding from you. Not really. Not really, man. Work's just been so crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Lots and lots of patients, lots of calls. Really short-staffed. So, been just slammed. Just haven't really been able to trade. Like I was just saying, I was able to hop on a couple times the last couple weeks just to keep the accounts alive. Missed you too, man. Missed you too, man. Trading's been lonely for you, I'm guessing. Trading's been absent for me. So now I gotta really knock the rust off and yeah, I gotta knock the rust off and really focusing on just being patient today. Because I just haven't really sat down and placed. I'd place a few very small wins. Just throw on a micro, wait till it goes green a couple points, and then just close it just to keep the accounts open is all I've been doing. But how's your trading been? Right. Oh no. Yeah, it's rough, dude. It's rough. It happens. Happens to all of us. Was it a PA? Big Blue. Oh, I wanted to ask you, what was that indicator again? The volume indicator. I wanted to see the volume indicator that has the colors for um the large market orders. The one that changes like red and green. I tried using the other indicator with all the times on it, like the London high, London low, whatever, and it changes all the colors of my candles. I couldn't figure out how to switch it, so it jacks up my trading plan. But PVSRA volume. All right, I gotta look at that. I gotta put that in. I need to start. That's what I want to start. My Ninja Trader just told me connection lost in my ears. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Yeah. I wanted to play around with this, but I can't remember what the name it was, and for some reason I didn't star it. So. Now where's it at? Oh, it pops up. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I want to play with that one. I did find this one. Session range highs and lows. From Assam Julian. It just it didn't save it. I had it on here, but it didn't save it with my settings, so I turned it off. But this one would give you that. For me at least, it'd give me not saying the New York opens there, but where was it? Like your London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low. I don't know how it gets its times. It's about right. 3 o'clock? Yeah, 3 o'clock is a London session. So you got London high, London low, New York AM starting at around 8. Okay. Midnight open. So it'd give me some of those key levels. Previous day high. But I know you do like a lot of the ADR stuff. This doesn't have that. This just has the session levels, but it doesn't jack up my candles. The other one that you used was jacking up my candles. Yeah. Cream Grack. Okay, yeah, that's the right one. Okay. My indicator had an update too, so it looks like my lines are less defined. I don't like that. Line color, fasten line color. Like this, can I make this like a white? Something to make it a little more visible. I want to be able to see the lines cross. Okay. Indicator updates, man. You never know what's changed. You gotta figure out what they did. Jack up all your settings. Actually, my I guess mentor, whatever. The guy who created this system is going live today for us to go over all the indicator changes. So I'm interested in seeing that. I think at this point in time, with it being so close to the market open, I'm probably not going to place a trade until market open, until after those first 15 minutes. Have you placed any trades today? come again. Oh no, I don't know what I said. I don't know what I was talking about. I was asking if you placed any trades. You placed any trades yet this morning, this AM pre-market session? Yeah. No, that's good. That's good. My audio just cut out again, man. I'm telling you. I think I just have too much stuff plugged into this computer. It's just overloading the drivers or something. I jacked up my back, man. It's feeling a lot better, actually. But I jacked up my back this last week. I was bouncing on the trampoline with my kids. I didn't do anything crazy. I was bouncing from my knees and turned a little bit. And oh my gosh, I was in so much pain. And I was just like, man, that's not right. I shouldn't be just like doing small activity movements and getting injured. But I pushed through. But now my left thigh is numb. Like it's compressing on a nerve or something. And my left thigh is it's dull. It's not completely numb. My wife's like, it's not numb. No, it's not completely numb. It's just dull, though. This thing ranging. 5 minutes to market open. I gotta turn this down. Cooking my legs. Got a little space heater. Right on. That's good. Well, I mean, like, it's not good. Sorry. It's not good that you have tingling in your leg. No. It's nice to be home, though. It's nice to be home. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Hopefully it's the same, just sort of just a little compression, take a little rest, and hopefully it'll ease itself off. Have you been to the doctors at all? I haven't. Oh. Well. So does it just act up from time to time? Mm-hmm. Nice dump here. Yeah, it's crazy. Now, I decided to take my whole next pay period off, my next 2 weeks off work. So, I just had a bunch of vacation piled up, and work's just been so crazy, and there's other stuff with it, whatever, doesn't matter. But I'm super excited to be home, like just getting to take some time off work and actually try to be consistent with trading for a few weeks. I am going to go planning a trip out to the snow. So next week, at the back half of the week, I'm going to try to see if I can remote into my computer. Depends on what the internet's like, but we'll be up in the mountains, up in the snow, with the kids. But other than that, I should be able to trade pretty much every session for the next few weeks. Yesterday, I had to do a CPR course for work, and so I wasn't able to trade yesterday. But yeah, man, it'll be good. We rented a little cabin. All right. Minute and a half. Minute and a half. I'm so excited. Man. And 15 seconds. Throw it all in the short. A short. Max contracts. In the low. There it is. Oh, I should have done it. Darn. Not really. And then it's accounts blown. Accounts blown. Trailing drawdown. Right down to that 5-minute cross. I don't know what that line is. There's a little green line from that new indicator I put on. Oh, that's just my... That's my New York session low. That's what that is. This is the London low down here, I'm guessing. All right, little gap up on SPX. Go ahead and mark this off here. And it's about to close. It's already going to close. It's almost like pointless to mark it. To the open here. This is the opening gap. So what are you looking for right now? What's your trade ideas going on? Where's your ADR level? I like to see this thing come all the way down, slam through the 700s. Come all the way down. There's all the way down here. That's that Asia session low down at 700. Just destroyed this blue candle if it holds. Where's the next blue after that? Bottom of the gold box. And then bottom of the range. Okay. Not hold. It's not holding. Okay. So with the ADR, does it give you like an ADR high and then an ADR low, and so you look toward it, start gravitating towards one, and then you like go in that direction, or? Still a chance that this 5 minute breaks over and it doesn't hold that cross at that blue candle. This is just like straight side, which is massive moves sideways. Scary. All right, looks like it's gonna hold that. Yep, held that 5 minute blue candle down. This one's a break. Next one's bottom of the gold box. Bouncing this 5 minute cross levels here. Oh. I think SPX is looking. It is curling. My EMAs look like they're curling for the downside movement, but fill up that gap. Yeah, nothing to trade. Yeah, very, very sideways. Very big down, up, big wicks. Big wicks, scary price action. I like the downward motion a little bit more, but not gonna take any trades right now. I like to see it at least come down and clear out this opening gap. Maybe even come down below this low here on SPX, the 837. Try to push up. Probably be down below the 700s before it starts to push up. Yeah, I think the downside movement looks cleaner right now. We've had a big push up pre-market. The whole pre-market was just a big push up, and now we're starting to retrace that. We are right at that 786 level. So this could be a reversal spot too. Really holding this 5-minute cross. It's a little 5-minute EMA cross. The last EMA cross on the 5-minute that wasn't broken yet. So it's been bouncing it. At the 786. It's curl up. We're very, very red on the 5 minute. Big blue with the cross. Way too big for me. Huge candle. Even that would be a 20-point stop. If it bounces this cross, that would be a potential entry, but I think I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait. It's like this on the gold box, the bounce be a buy for me. And then with the stop below these levels, probably would have got a hit quick 10 there. Oh yeah, definitely would have gotten my 10 points there. That's okay. And this one would probably came down and stopped me out. But I would have gotten my little 10 points there. So that was a good entry. It's just too volatile right now. My stop would have had to been 20 plus points. Right around 20 points. A little rich. So just hit the button. Just push it. Just go for it. If it breaks the top of this blue, I mean maybe. I don't know. Then again, it's like, where's your stop? My stop would be, I mean, it should be all the way down here. It'd be like a 72-point stop. Throw 1 micro on. I mean, I think that was a good buy. That would have been a good buy. You know, said it was a good entry. I had my EMA cross in the middle of a large volume candle. Nice. 68.80. Oh, you're on ES. I'm looking at SPX. Trade in ES. I usually watch SPX rather than ES. So that would have been a really tempting buy for me if once it hit the top of this, from above this level here. That's the old 1 minute cross. Got to break that. Oh, you're green. Well, you're green. Green. Gotta keep pushing. There you go. It's like the 60s level on SPX. All right, this is a break in the trend here. Break on the 5 minute. There's a good push. Nice, good job. Good job. Got a gap. There's a gap on SBX, so I may want to push down and fill that before it continues. I guess it already did fill it. It already did fill it with that wick. It's a good push, man. Good job. Good job. Previous 5-minute cross here. One more minute and then the orb is formed. Ooh, big slam down. Scary push there. That didn't knock you out, did it? Oh, there it goes. It's probably taking you out there. But at least you're break even. Take any profits? Are you still in? Nice. Good. Good, good, good. Big push down. Big wake, man. 40 points. Man. Oh, good. Nice. Got a nice recovery on it, too. I don't know if I like all these stuff on my chart. It's just too much. Pull that off. You might be fading here. I feel my heart pounding. I'm gonna go for the short here. I already got my 10 points. That thing happened fast. There it goes. Faded you there. And I'm out. Quick $100 there. I couldn't even switch over to the live trade before it was done. Now I want to see it break down below the 800s again. Woo! That was a good entry, yeah. Good entry there. That happened fast. All right, so that was the 948 candle, 0948. 0948. I had an EMA curl. Curl out of gold box. The risk was a little bit high, but not much. This is my new Valentine's gift trade journal here from my wife. Pretty nice. Yeah, it's a quick dump. Quick dump. It was for me. It was it's a 5-minute cross. It was showing resistance the 5-minute cross on the 5-minute, and then it had this nice curl on the EMA right back out of the gold box, held below, and on the little push down, I just went for it. Might just bounce right back up here. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm curling the pages though with it where it's at. I think I need to close it every time I close it, move it off to the side so I don't jack it up. Yeah, I didn't even get to move my positions on that, dude. It didn't even show up on an Ninja Trader. It had already taken me out of my first target. Like by the time I hit the button, before it even showed up on the screen, the first target was already filled. And then it trailed one. See if we could break this cross here. Why isn't the 5-minute crosses showing on this one? That's the old knot. Slow. Let's delete these. All these indicator updates are making things interesting. Should have the 5-minute cross though. That was a 5-minute cross. Order filled. What order? Was I still in on something? It's terrifying. Everything's closed. Okay, everything's closed. But it's terrifying to hear order filled in your ear whenever you're not supposed to be in an order. All right, yeah, everything's flat. Okay, everything's flat. Now we're curling up here. Nice big push. Now it's gonna give you the move you wanted after it came down and stopped you out. And yeah, I was like, order filled. No order should be being filled right now. You gotta scroll through all the accounts. Everything's all the unrealized zeros. Everything's not moving. I think it looks good. hate when it's not full. It's got to be full. Oh no. Oh no. That's horrible. I've had it happen where my copy trader jacks up, and then when it closes out of the live account, like some of them, I don't know if they just didn't copy or, but then account, and then that opens positions in the other accounts, does some funky stuff. Horrible. Don't just take a breath, relax, reset. Nice big push outside of the orb. Broke the 5-minute cross. Looking very bullish. Near the top side of orb on SPX. I'd like to see it break top side of orb on SPX before I take that entry long. Very bullish candle on the 4 hour. 15 minutes looking for a cross. Breaking the gold box. How much space is there to the top? 30, but where would you stop me? Can I have a stop on that? That's 40, 45 points. I can't do that. SPX is breaking. Yeah, this thing's just going to run away without me. Right up to the next 5 minute. Right up to the next 5 minute. Okay. This is my last 5-minute purple. So it's got to break that too. Man, that thing's just not stopping. That stinks, man. I traded that morning. It was like 3 weeks ago. I think it was like 3 weeks ago. When trade of 8 was down, and I was stuck in positions for so long, but it ended green. Like I was in a short, and it tanked, and I was like, oh, but it was super small. It was like 1 micro or something like that. So I'd made a couple $100 off that, like 1 micro, because it just kept going down. Oh, okay. It's like this long looks good. Broke that 5 minutes, like a 20-point stop. Yeah. I kind of want to hit that button again. Should have. It's okay. I know, dude. Did you go long? I didn't. I haven't hit the button yet. I wanted to on this wick and flip here. I should have. I should have hit it then. Big move up. I mean, I have lots of confluence here. Yeah, I had lots of confluence for the long. SPX broke orb with continuation, came down, retested, continuation, and then on the 5-minute cross, I had this break of the 5-minute cross, come down, retest, and continuation. That's the one I probably should have entered on, but that was the best low risk entry for me. Still almost 30 points, man. This ATR is crazy. Trailing nice. So we just broke the 5-minute sell from back here. Oh, you can't even see my screen. Back here, this is a whole 5-minute sell. Just broke, reaching towards those highs. I think I just typed in ATR. I don't think it's anything special. It's a different. I think yeah. I just typed in average true range, and then it just dropped down. And I made it just super small here at the bottom. Ah. Yeah, this thing's just not stopping, man. It's like this would have been a break of range trade, but it just that's just too much risk. Awesome, man. That's great. It's gonna happen so quick too. If I took anything right now, I feel like I'd just be reaching. I'd be FOMOing. This is broken. Yeah. Yeah, you know, actually, I have a TPT that's like about half value. I wonder if it didn't close out initially, and that might have been that order filled that I heard. Was it finally hitting like a stop level? Because it didn't take the full. It took about half the profit of everything else. All right, here we go up to some resistance levels here. How far away is it? How far away is the ADR on? Yes. Did it fill the imbalance? Is it completely close? Did it completely close the imbalance, or is there still room on it? Oh my gosh! Yeah. Okay. So that would hit the ADR at the same time. Nice. Melting through this too. These are like high volume areas from previous days. So it's where you'd expect price to kind of sit and hang around and then melt to the next one, melt to the next one, or melt down, reject out, melt all the way down to the previous one. You know, like if you imagine like a volume profile, this would be like a high volume area. Melts right through it. Jeez. 30 points. Yeah, dude. It's crazy. But I'm really trying to focus on getting really cheap trades, really small risk trades. And when it just goes like this, it's like there's not a good, like where's the previous swing low all the way down here, you know? Then you go candles or areas. This candle went through my entire high volume 26 point move, so you'd have to go below that as higher risk trades. Even that one I took, I think it was like 20 points. It's not too bad. Not too bad. 20 points of risk. But this one's like gonna be like 30. Yeah, like 30. It's just going. It looks crazy, man. This is like a straight line up. 15-minute. Got that 15-minute, just a straight line. See, my chart has this little small dotted line. I'm not sure what that is. That's from my quantum indicator. Just don't know what it is. I don't see a setting for it. Like these shorter dashed lines are the 1 minute crosses, and the solid lines are the 5 minute crosses. I have my orb, green, white, red orb. My volume areas with their middle level. I'd really like to see it push down, break through this 80 level, and then come down, retest it, and then on another push I can go short. Come back towards these. I'm not just going to take it short here on this curl because the 5 minutes is just so bullish. The EMAs are just straight up. So even though we're curling the 1 minute, the 5 minutes not even close. So I really gotta wait. Gotta wait for it to break past this gold box to the bottom if I want to go short. If it rejects at the top, it's like I could take a long if I get a cross down and a long that breaks. Alright, we got a cross. Let's see it break the whole gold box. Out. Are you green on the day? Did it push back still below that 120, or are you staying green on the day? Starting to slow down here. Oh, by the way, I have one win. That should be on my screen. I got my one win. Yeah, 20 bucks, man. Oh, negative 20. Darn. Shoot. Sorry. I wasn't celebrating your loss. Negative 20. That's not bad. Dace, not bad. From being down 120 to being down 20. Yeah, my chat window is a big white box. So there's got to be a way to change that. It's like a big white box. Let's see here. So like the white, it's like white text with shading on it that lets it where I can see it. Yeah. Hey man. You're down 20 bucks. That's it. Just 20 bucks. One day. We're going to make it back here. I really struggle with red days too. It's like with me, it's like red trades, red days. I've always had a problem pulling stops, pulling back, adding in, pulling back, just below the account because you just can't take the L. So try to win it all back. Don't try to win it all back, but you're already almost there. Tested the gold box, kept moving. We could push back up. Broke that 1 minute cross. Down for the retest. Being patient. Being patient. I mean, I'm a perma bear, dude. I think we're reaching the top of this move. On the 4 hour. Look over here. On the 4 hour, we have this big range down. We're right about that 618 level, 716 618. Yeah, right at the 618. Look at that. So I think we don't have much more room up before we hit this big resistance here. I think we should start to see some pullbacks, even if it is going to continue. I think we should start to see some healthy pullback before it continues from this level. So that's what I'm looking. I'm looking for a good pullback from here. I mean, maybe it's just a trend day, man. Maybe it's just going to keep going. Close this whole thing up. You never know. But I think this is a good... You're long again. It's hard to go long, man. I just like to hit the short button. I don't know what percentage of my trades are shorts, but I'm guessing it's like 70%. This is a good long though. A good retracement, break back, but small retracement, little flag form here. Oh, stop. I just lost my... Trying to reset this thing on the charts and... Come on, give me my indicator back. Or is it back? Can I just... Yeah, okay, it is on. Okay. This one should have... It's only 320 point move up from the open. You know, small stuff. Nothing. Nothing. What's that on the? What are we at percentage wise? Only 1%. Yeah. So it could keep going. I mean, we've had 4% days, so crazy Trump tariff days. All right, get that break up. Get that break up. Do want to make sure I don't miss once that goes live with Javi. They shouldn't be anywhere near it. What time is it? 7:20. Yeah, I'm sure they're still doing their. Do 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 do. No, I'm fat and lazy, man. No. I've gone snowboarding once. I've never gone skiing. I sit in the cabin. I'll light a fire. You know, sit around the fire, hang out. Nice. Yeah, I need to start being more active. I'm starting to get my eating under control, and then I mean, I've been doing good. I've been losing a lot of weight, but like I've said before, I was up at yeah, it's still the morning show. Okay, I don't want to jump in on that. I just want to see if it's still going. Yeah, I was up at like 3:15 when my daughter was born. Now I just got back. I got down to about 225 before the holidays. Packed on a good 20 after the holidays, and now I'm down another 10. So now I'm still net positive from my low at the 225 level to the 230s again. But yeah, and then I have 3 weeks off. I have no excuse. I got 3 weeks off right now. I could be exercising. So I definitely plan on going for more walks. Not doing any hurdles. I'll go for some walks. And then some weight training. Oh, yeah. That's the other thing I gotta... yeah, I mean, yeah. As long as I'm not in chronic back pain and having chronic conditions, sure. It's not. I don't think it's good enough to be happy in your body. I guess you can be happy in your body if you want to, but it doesn't mean you're not going to have chronic illness conditions. If your body's 600 pounds, you could be happy in it, but you might still die soon. $22 up on my options today. Anything closed? Oh, something did close. What closed? Oh, my APA option closed. Nice. That means that I got 75% today. $10. Well, I mean, I don't. I'm just. I mean, I did before. Whenever I was 300 pounds, I was down in ibuprofen every day, all day. I don't now, but that's what I'm saying. It's like I could have been happy in my fat body and just lived with chronic pain. But yeah, you gotta keep yourself healthy, especially when you got the little ones. You know, that was the big motivator, having that little girl. It's like, nah, I need to lose weight. Some people say they're happy when they're 600, 800 pounds, but when you can't move and you're got diabetes and kidney disease and everything, can't have a pure true joy in life. You know, we're not meant to be that way. I just took a patient the other day that was 800 pounds, 800 pounds, and finally decided to do something about it, and talking about how much better his life is now. He's like 2 something now, lost almost 600 pounds. It's like that's gotta feel amazing, losing that much weight. But he's still suffering from it. He's still got kidney disease, and like his kidneys were basically shut down. Oh yeah, KG. Sorry. So shoot, this divided by 2.2. Yeah. So he was 363 kilos. But he said he was still moving. He said he was still mobile. So I can't imagine being up and walking around. Yeah. At 363 kilograms. Still being able to stand up. I told him, it's like, dude, you know, even after you lost the weight, you probably have the world's strongest quads, you know. Oh, that long is looking good. If you could break up the scandal, you're looking good. It's been trying to poke down. Now it just needs to shoot up. You were really, really slowing down here. See, for me, this is going to make bottom side blue, a top side purple, with a break. Oop, that's not my purple. Break, retest, come back down into the range. Let's see if it's going to come back down or is it going to flip. Flips, I can go along with you. Or it'll flip out here. It's 15 points. It's not too bad. It's got to flip though. I tell you, before that last entry, my heart was palpitating. I was like thinking about doing an entry right here, and my heart's starting to race a little bit. There we go. Big purple. Top side purple now. That's what happens when you don't really trade for weeks. This one flipped green, I would have gone long, but it pushed back down. Oh, the short's looking good. Or we're just going to range here for forever. Oh, wait for the close. Wait for the close. See if we can get a retest. Or if it's just going to take off from here. It's a good break, man. Makes it a kind of a bigger move, but let's see if we can get a retest. Broke a little more than I would have liked. All right, I'm going to take this short. Above my breaking candle. I'm actually going to take it to range high. Nice. Let's go. Come on. If I retest the range, I'll probably average in. Or it could just give me my 10 points, then I'll just be happy. There we go, 10 points. Break even, I'm out. Another W there. But if it comes up and retests and continues, I'll enter back in. Otherwise, I'll wait for it to break these lows, retest, and then get a continuation off that. You're still in the short? Yep. I mean, it still looks good. I just went break even so fast. See if it comes back up. Retest the CMA. Bigwig. 49. All right, let's see this thing go. We take this low again. I'm going short again. All right, here we are. We're at the decision point. We're going to break into the range, or are we going to flip back out? Breaking back into the range. Trying to get a push. Don't like that. All right, touching the range. We're going to get a flip, or we're going to continue? We're going to get a flip, or we're going to continue? Pushing into the range. Pushing into the range. Back in the range. Good. Good. That's tough. That's super hard to do. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. So now we're firmly back in the range. See if we could break the opposite side for a continuation, move higher. Big push up. I take a bite here. Candle. I should have waited for the retest and flip. This candle here. It's the wick. And I should have waited for the flip. I was going to flip. We're back inside the range here. That should have been my entry. I need to manage my risk better. I'm taking a play from your book here. I'm closing it myself. It's okay. Gave up a little bit. That's okay. Yeah. I did. I closed it. I did it. I did it. I closed the trade. Still green. Still green. These I'm just going to get rid of this. They're making me feel like taking entries. I want to see a break below this 1 minute cross, then below this blue, and below this, and yeah. Oh yeah. That was much better than seeing it get bigger. It was too big. I was up 130, now I'm up 60. Right? So that's $70. It's a little big, but that's okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. That's a good pop. Oh, gotta take the jacket off. Getting cooked. Chew. Oh, thank you. I've had this one for a minute. Yeah, I'm all branded up. Got the hat, got the shirt. Thank you. I want to short it again. The 5 minutes, like on the brink of crossing on the EMAs. 1 minute's crossing, 5 minutes crossing. I'm gonna take it. It's gonna be the pop here. Going for 20. All right, man. All right. uh, gonna get taken out here. All right, man. Ugly. Ugly, ugly. Ugly. Just trading crosses. Just trading the crosses. It actually made my 10 points, but I moved my take profit, so I didn't get touched, and then it came back against me. Performed a perfect entry. This is an A++ entry right here. So gave me an A++ entry long after it would have hit my 10 points. But I pulled my stop, and I pulled my TP, and now this is what I get for it. That's what I get for it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Heavy resistance. Good. I like to short, man. I like to short. I like to short. I want to just short. Just hit the short. Sell. 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 We're breaking a 5-minute cross on the. We're breaking a 5-minute cross on the SPX with volume. I get a retest continuation. I could take that, and then just take it to the top. So we're retesting that 5-minute cross and see if we can get a push back down. Got that push down, so I'm going to go ahead and sell there. And then we're going to leave my 10 points this time rather than moving it. But and then if this comes against me, then I'm done. Then I'm out. As a 5-minute break retest on SPX. Taking it on NQ. An 800 EMA, man. I've used a 200. Never used an 800 EMA. If we could break this blue, then I'm gonna size into, and then move my stop right above the blue. Yeah. Give it a little second tick. Yeah. I'm just, I'm a perma bear. That's it. That's all I can do. Not looking good for me. I think if it could hold without breaking the top for another minute, I'll get a good push down. That does it for me, man. Down 280 on the day. Oh, look at that pop. Good job on that long. Right on. Right on, man. Right on. Yeah, it's just such a strong uptrend day, and I'm trying to catch a reverse on it. It's going longer. Good push. Good push. Yeah, I know, right? Craziness. Now it's gonna melt levels. Doing it. Took another one. Ah. And don't overtrade and don't oversize and don't everything, man. Just doing it all. So I'm just needing to step away after this. I'm gonna step away after this one. I'm done. I'm really done. I'm really done. Especially like my first training day back is when I should really be taking it easy. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I needed to, obviously. I needed to. Yeah. I have them all written down. That's a good short right there. 3 bar down. Yeah. Off that key level. Right on that 5-minute cross. Correct. Yeah, you need to tell him, close it for me. Nah, it's all good. That uptrend's just too strong, man. That uptrend's just too strong. Really wrecked it that time. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm logging off. I'm logging off. Don't save it. It's closed. It's order filled. Order filled. Don't say order filled. Don't say order filled. That was me closing the account. That was me closing everything. All right. Open up Ninja Trader. Let me see what you're doing to me. I just closed Ninja Trader and I heard order filled. Right whenever you go to hit close and you hear order filled, that's not a good sign. I'm sure it was a delayed close on a auto trail on a not auto trail on a copied account. Nothing's active. Okay, nothing's active. Nothing's active. All right. All right. Let's close it. All right, that does it for me, man. Done. Oh, rough first day back. Rough first day back. It's okay. That puts the accounts at 5488, down to just the dog is here. Yeah, she's like you need comfort. She came up to me. She said you need comfort. Yeah, down to 5488. So still up, but that pushed me down pretty good, down below the $1,000 mark again. Yeah. Yeah, I should just turn it off. Turn off the trading view too, because it's like now I'm just gonna watch it dump. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Now it's dumping. See if it hits my targets. The market knows, man. The market knows. Ugly. Ugly. Yeah, it didn't even make that new high either. It just came up near it and then 78 would have been my first target. All right, well, I'm going to end the stream here. It was fun trading with you again. I will be back tomorrow. I want to say God bless. Have a great day. Jesus loves you. He wants to get to know you. Everyone who's listening in a real and personal way. So trading is this money. Can't take it with us. We just do it for the fun. Got to enjoy it. So days like this is hard to enjoy it, but we got to try to enjoy it. God bless, brother. Talk to you later.